Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from crafts.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today for another video. Today I've got a card kit to show you, and this one is in the autumn, I can't say autumn, winter, July to December mini catalogue, and it's called, I can't remember what it's called. It is called, these are online, you see, so they advertise them in here, but you have to go online to get them. Hang on, we'll have a look inside the box. Typical. Christmas Whimsy card kit, that's what it's called. And this is actually £18, and I think it's really good value. So you get instructions on what to do. So there's 2 card designs, and these ones are newer ones, and they actually give you step-by-step instructions of where to place things, what to put on, even as much as say where you put your dimensionals and all the string, the twine. It tells you how much you need, and also you get a ruler along the side, which is very good. So these are very, very good for beginners, people that want to make cards but have never done it before. And I'll show you what everything you get. I have had a little play with it, so that's why it is actually open. But let's move the box out of the way. These boxes are really good as well for keeping. Nice size box to stash things in. So you actually get twine, this lovely gold thread twine in there. You get an ink spot, so this one's Night of Navy. You get a sheet of mini dimensionals. You get a little of glue dots. These are glue dots for sticking your twine down. You get a block, and this is a D size block, I do believe. Is it a D size block? Yes, it's a D size block you get in it. So that's good, because if you've got nothing, at least you've got everything you need. You get, you see I've used one already, so you get some little tags and labels pre-cut, so you just have to pop them out, so you don't even need to have a punch or anything to pop them out. They just come out dead easy like that. There we go, so we've got a couple out. That's just the packaging, the cardboard packaging. You get a stamp set. Hang on, let's see if I can put it on the back of that card. So you get some snowflakes, you get some stars, you've got season's greetings, merriest of Christmas to you, and you've also got wishing you peace, joy and love now and throughout the coming year. So I think that's a really lovely little set to have. You get 2 sheets of pop outs. Oh, sorry, I missed the stars. You get snowflakes and stars in Night of Navy. You get 2 sheets of pop outs for each card. So you've got the sledge, oops, the little gnome, the lady on the little lady gnome on the ladders. So they're really good, and again they just pop out. We've also got a sheet of gold stars, these gorgeous envelopes, gold lined, gold edged envelopes. You actually get enough to make 8 cards, so you get, like I say, you get 4 of each design. So that's one design, and that's the second design. So really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make one of the cards up here today. So I think we'll go with this one. So this is the one where they're pulling a sledge, and it's actually the first one on here. You should think they have them the other way around, wouldn't you, as soon as that one's first. So it's dead straightforward, tells you everything you need. So I'm actually going to use, I have actually got Night of Navy here, my own pad, so I'll use that. There's no point in opening it if I've got one open already. So I need some stars. I need the merriest of Christmas to you. Get that off. Where's the block gone? The merriest of Christmas to you. We need some twine, dimensionals, glue dots. Do we need a star on this one? No, we don't need a star on this one. No, just having a look, checking. We don't need a star. Oh, we need a label. Where's the label gone? Pop one out before, didn't I? Are they under here? Yes. So we need one of those labels. Right, let's have a go of putting it together. These are already pre-scored, so you can just fold them over, and if you are already a crafter, you might already have a bone folder, so you can use that, or if not, you can use your block to fold it. This one's going this way, and we need 2 pop outs, so we need that one, and we need this one with the presents. Really easy to put together. Right, so first of all, it's saying that we need to put some snowflakes in the background. So I've already put that on there, but we need snowflakes. Can't see actually. Let me have a look closer, because no, it's definitely snowflakes. So I've got a smaller block actually. Let's put this on a smaller block. Right, light navy ink, and it's just saying pop them all around your card to give the effect of it snowing. Let's put a little one in there. Simple as that. And while we've got the ink out, we'll stamp our label. Just need to pop that out. We'll stamp our label. And just because it's a new stamp, I'm just going to stamp there to make sure it stamps okay. And then just line it up. There we go. That's quite straight actually for me. And that is all the stamping we need. Obviously we can put a big sentiment inside. Right, so we need some twine. It even tells you how much of the twine you need, and it's saying about 3 inches of twine. So I'll just grab that out if I can find the end of it. Pair of scissors. And basically all you're doing with this is threading it through and making a little knot on the end. I cut it a little bit bigger because I'm useless with these. I think it's my hands don't work proper. There we go. Just trim that off. Like that. And then next we just need to pop our dimensionals on. Let's have a look. So I've got one on her head. I'm actually just going to put these little ones on, and I've got some big ones that I can use. I did have some big ones there. I like keeping a new sheet. I don't like using them all up on the new sheet. I like to use my old ones up first. So we'll just pop these on here. One on there. Did he have a little one on his head? He did. So I'll have to use a little one for that. Is that one? Yeah. Lovely. Whoops. And these I end up finding everywhere. Plus my nails aren't doing because I can't pick things up. Oops. Right, so where that dimensional is, I'm going to loop this round it so it doesn't come off. In between the dimensional and that, and it's going to go on about there, and then she is following behind, with another present. Oops, his head down. And then we just put a couple of dimensionals on the back, 2 little ones, so I'm just going to pop a big one on. And then you just stick that down like so. How simple is that? And have we got some little stars to go on? We have. So I'll see. A little piercing tool. So snowflakes on this one. So I think what they've done is they've just put them over, a couple over the existing snowflakes like so. How quick and simple is that? That is well nice. So what I'm going to do now is show you, because obviously when you've made the 8 cards you'll still have bits and bobs left over in the stamp set. So I just want to show you how you can make with whatever you've got left over. So I've got a card base, which is an A4 sheet cut in half and scored in half. I've found a label that I've already cut out, and I've also got this. It's embossed with snowflakes and then rubbed with silver ink that Stampin' had a bit ago. So I'm thinking we can just layer these up, and let's stick this down. So as you build your craft supplies up, you can use them to make other things as well. You don't have to just stick to the card kits. I'll just show you. I think this one has got a bit of stuff on it, but I'll just show you anyway. Let's have a look. I think we can use the season's greetings. We'll use the stars and the snowflakes. Can't have enough stars and snowflakes. So just make a nice little panel. Yeah, where's the snowflakes gone? I did have, oh, there they are. And what I might do is just go over this with snowflakes. There we go. And I need a little scrap of paper to do the sentiment. And I'm sure I had a little piece before. This is my trouble, I put things down and then they do want... There we go. Right, this is just to give you some idea anyway of what you can do with your stuff afterwards. I've got dimensional stuff to that. Right, so season's greetings, that'll fit on there lovely. And a hole punch. Bit of twine. Can go on there, and I might even loop some twine around. I've got plenty more of this if you're thinking, oh, she's using it all up and she should be using it for her cards. Just trying to think, will that go? Just trying to think if that'll look alright if I put it. This is it, you can just try things. If you don't like them, you can change them. No, don't like that. We'll leave that. So this is going to go down flat because we're going to put the we're going to put this up on some dimensions. a bit skew-iffy. And because that's flapping around, what you can do is you can get one of these glue dots, pop it on, and then you can just pop that down and it'll stop it flapping about. And then what I think we'll do is we'll put some snowflakes and stars on here. So there you go. So that's how you can make a quick and simple card with some of your supplies you've got left. So you'll have to let me know if you like that. But these are absolutely gorgeous. So thank you very much for tuning in today and having a look. I've got a bit of ink on that, so I'll have to do something with that after. But what I'll do is if I've made a mess like this, I use this card for inspiration. So whether it's for Christmas cards or for any other sorts of cards, I can use the layout and way I've placed things and like improve on it, make it better and do different things. But it's good for inspiration. But I'm really liking these. These would be good for my kids to do as well, to make some Christmas cards for the friends. Hopefully you can join me again soon, whereas I might have the paper pumpkin. I'm quite looking forward to that, the expressions in ink one. So thank you very much for joining me today, and hopefully see you all again soon. Thank you very much for joining me. Bye.